Okay, I shall start with today's assignment first. Here. Hmm. Okay, thank you, Jayden. All right. Okay, coming back to here. Okay. He stacked 10 units and glue it. It is a front view, top view. He wants the top view of it. That means from here, you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You think that this is like an L shape, right? So like that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here is 1 and 1 here. Okay. All right. So I have this one as the most appropriate is this. Okay. Top view from here. Right. So in fact, it should be like that lah. Also more appropriate. Okay. This one I will make some amendments to it. Okay. Next question. Did I write down the option? Top view here is 3. Yeah. The figure is made up of identical cubes. So now for volume, what I want to do is I want to go by power, counting power. What do I mean by counting the power? Means from here downward. Downward, that means here is the tower. And how many are there? 2 cubes. Here 2 cubes. Here 1, here 1. Okay, so 2, 4, 6. So I have 6 centimeter cube. Okay. Then next one. The figure is made up of identical cubes and find its volumes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is tower. 1, 2. Here 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. So 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so I have 14 cubes. Can I do this? Just write 14. May I do this? Anyone has anything to object? If not, I go on. Can or not? Am I correct? Nobody say anything, eh? That means correct, lor. I purposely write 14, see whether anyone can capture what it is. But nobody say anything. The answer is wrong, Why wrong? Because you never see, Here, what did he say? 3 cm cube. So that means this is 3 by 3 by 3. So 3 by 3 by 3 means what? The A volume will be 27 cm cube. Yeah. Okay. So for this is 27, I have 14 of them are cubes, so I multiply long. So 27 by 14, that will be 378. Okay. And thank you, Remus. You are the only one who tell me this is 378. The rest of them waiting for my answer. Xing Yi never participate. Must participate lah, huh? Okay, try everybody try to key in answer. If not, then I stop here. I just freeze myself. Like you all freeze. Okay, don't 378. Okay, question for A. Remus talking about your name. I didn't see your assignment. Can you key in since you know the answer? Remus 没有做那个 assignment 的嘞。Can you key in now, please? You got me? Oh, yeah. Sorry. It's not you. It's another one. Sorry. I see wrong thing. 对不起. Okay. Yeah. And you are the one who did the entire thing. Yes. Good job. Okay. Next question. The volume is 27. Cube wall. Right. Okay. Now, before I go on, just now was counting is easy. Actually, I want to do something here to add on to some knowledge. Can I do this? I want to add in something. Maybe I have this. Okay, sorry, I interrupt a lot. Okay. Since we are already like starting on the chapter volume, right? Okay, so I want to do this here. Since we are talking about volume, let's do some mind map here. Okay, volume is actually a measurement. Okay, what does it measure? Measure capacity of a solid figure. Okay, or it is the capacity of a solid figure. Oh yeah, and it has a units. What do we use? Centimeter cube. Okay, it could be meters cube. Okay, for your standard, it's up to here only. ml, liters, all these measures volume and the capacity. All right. So what do you mean by solid figure? Solid figure means a cube, lor. Okay, solid figure can be a cuboid. What's the difference? Then you say, what's the difference there? All sides are equal. All edges are equal. Okay? So that means they must have a standard measurement throughout. That's what they meant. Then cuboid, what do they have? They have length, they have breadth, and they have height. How to identify the length, breadth, and height? Okay, then I use this color. Now this is called the length. Length is always the longest. Breadth is always here. Height is always standing. Okay, and then sometimes the question will tell you, oh, this is how many cm by how many cm by how many cm. Okay, for example, you have 3 dimensions. So automatically, these are length, breadth, and height. Because it is like arranged in the same order already. Okay, so far so good or not? Anyone think I'm going too fast? Corinne, can you on your video? Everything good now? Thank you, singing. Javin, on your video, please. All right. Jaden, sit up straight, Jaden. Sit up straight. Yeah, posture must be good. Don't shake. Because I got motion sickness. Later I go giddy. Okay? So then, what else I need to tell you is the formula to find the volume. Formula. Okay, so now we talk about formula. Okay, so it has a formula. I want to use the Lego stack. What is called Lego stack? Lego. You know that toy Lego. Lego. I want to put it this manner. Stacking up. Volume is the greatest value one. Great. Okay, and this is length, breadth, and height. And then what is this? How to use length, breadth, and height. So what does it tell is volume equals to length multiplied by breadth and then multiply by height. Okay, so this is called the formula. All right, now I want to do something here just to add on to this. Okay, because you will start to learn this. What is length and breadth to you actually? Who can tell me what is length and breadth? If I were to put it in green color like that. Anyone can tell me what is length and breadth? Please, response. Oh, got response. Area, thank you, Remus. Wow, lovely. Thank you. Okay. So now I will need to use green area. So this thing from this thing, this one cannot. So technically, I will say that this gives me area. And this area is called the what? Base area, okay? I think I need to use yellow for this. So volume can actually become this one multiplied by this one. Okay? All right. So then I ask a question. How to find height by using the Lego stack? Now you look at the Lego stack. If I have missing H, I'm going to erase the H and I'm going to put a question mark here. What can you see is only V on top and LB on the bottom, right? So I'm going to add this, very important. I think this one doesn't fit. Okay, then the height. You see the volume is on the top? Yes. What is on the bottom is the length and the breadth. Have not? Do you see that? So you have the length multiplied by breadth. Height is equal to volume over length and breadth. All right. Or it can be height is equals to volume over area. Okay? So it can be asked in many manners. So far, so good or not? Now, there is another thing that I want to offer you to know is called the cube root. The function of this cube root. Okay, a very small one. We call this cube root, ROOT. Now, what is cube root? Cube root is something that you have a number, okay, and this number, for example, you have 8. I give just an example, 8 of cube root. So you must have something multiplied by something by multiplied by something 3 times to get that value of 8. Right now. So what times what give you 8 is 2. And it must be the same number. So this is called cube root of 8. So 8 is called a perfect cube number. All right. So let's take a look at it. Why is this important? Then it boils down to this so-called cube law. Okay. So I want to introduce you this like that. Okay. Is it confusing? Am I too fast? Anyone? Is it okay? The pace okay or not? Pace okay, huh? Okay. So now I want to do this. For example, if I have the length of a cube, talking about cube, better write the cube. Okay, you have a length and you can find its volume. Am I right now? So I want to put it into cm, this one into cm cube. Maybe I write meter. I got to squeeze a bit because of later I got no space. Okay, all right. So, I'm going to do this. I must have at least this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. All right. So if this is 1 centimeter, okay, yeah, this one is 1 centimeter, then this must be 1 times 1 times 1, which will give you 1. Now, what happens if this is 2? Then this is 2 times 2 times 2, which will give me 8. What happens if this is 3? Then this is 27, because 3 times 3 times 3 give you 27. Now, what happens if this is 4? Okay, 4, remember, 4 will end with a 4. Okay, here, ends with a 4. 5 will end with a 25, then 1. 6 will end with a 6, 21. 1